We are going to solve word problems on dividing by two-digit number. Let's see the first word problem. A teacher wants to distribute 855 pencils equally among 27 students. How many pencils will each student get? How many pencils will be left with the teacher? So, the teacher wants to distribute 855 pencils. That means the number of pencils teacher have is 855. And she wants to distribute these pencils among 27 students. That means the number of students is 27. And we want to find out how many pencils will each student get. So to find out that, we need to divide 855 by 27. So let's do the division. So we have to divide 855 by 27. So we are going to consider the first two digits of this number, which is 85. So how many times does 27 go into 85? Let's estimate. Now we know 25 times 3 is 75. So let's try 27 times 3. That equals 3 times 7 is 21, carries 2, and 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8. So 27 times 3 is 81. That means 27 go into 85 3 times. Means 27 times 3 is 81. Let's do the subtraction. So we will get 5 minus 1 is 4 and 8 minus 8 is 0. Now we still have 5 left in the dividend. Let's bring that down next to 4 to make it 45. Now 27 go into 45 only once. That means 27 times 1 is 27. Let's do the subtraction. Now we cannot subtract 7 from 5. So let's borrow 1 from 4 to 5 to make it 15, and we will left with 3 over here. So 15 minus 7 is 8 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So we got the quotient, which is 31, and remainder is 18. That means 31 is the number of pencils each student will get and 18 is the number of pencils left with the teacher. So the number of pencils each student will get is 31 and the number of pencils left with the teacher is 18. Let's see one more problem. Rose wants to put 3600 books into the boxes of same size. If she can put 42 books in each box, how many boxes will she need in total to put all the books? So, Rose wants to put 3600 books into the boxes. Means the number of books she have is 3600. And she can put 42 books in each box. Means the number of books in each box is 42. And we want to find how many boxes will she need in total to put all the books. In order to find that, we need to divide 3600 by 42. Let's do the division. So we have to divide 3600 by 42. Now the first two digits of this number makes up a number 36, which is less than 42. So 42 does not go into 36. Therefore, we have to consider the first three digits of this number, which makes up a number 360. Now how many times does 42 go into 360? Let's estimate. We know 42 is close to 40. And 40 times 9 is 360. That means 42 times 9 has to be greater than 360 because 42 is greater than 40. So let's try 42 times 8. That will give us 8 times 2 is 16, carries 1, and 8 times 4 is 32 plus 1 is 33. So 42 times 8 is 336. Therefore, 42 go into 360 8 times. Means 42 times 8 is 336. Let's do the subtraction. We cannot subtract 6 from 0. Therefore, let's borrow 1 from 6 to 0 to make it 10 and we will left with 5 over here. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 5 minus 3 is 2 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we still have 0 left in the dividend. Let's bring that down next to 24 to make it 240. Now how many times does 42 go into 240? Let's estimate once again. Now we know 40 times 6 is 240. That means 42 times 6 has to be greater than 240. Then let's try 42 times 5. So that will give us 5 times 2 is 10, carries 1. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So 42 times 5 is 210. Therefore, 42 go into 240 5 times. That means 42 times 5 is 210. Let's do the subtraction. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 4 minus 1 is 3 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So we got the quotient 85 and remainder is 30. Means 85 boxes are filled with the books. That means after filling 85 boxes with 42 books in each box, Rose will still have an extra 30 books left with her. Therefore, to put this extra 30 books, she will need one more extra box. Hence, the number of boxes she will need is 85 plus 1, which is 86. Therefore, Rose will need 86 boxes in total to put all the books.